What up, Raffleaders? Welcome back to my channel. We're at Red Road. I just wanted to give you a close-up of the construction of this important connecting artery. This is the East Bank Public Road. That is the overpass at Providence, and that is the traffic on the East Bank Public Road heading into Georgetown. There's always a traffic jam at this location. There is So this is the completed road. The last time we were here, the road was near to completion, but it had not been fully paved. I thought I'd bring you back to this location so you can see what the completed road looks like. This is Red Road, right? It's being called Red Road. Those are the guys from Sevons. It's piles of rock for construction, probably associated with a lot of this construction is going on. Behind this fence is your Ramada and Princess. Still a lot of traffic going on here on Red Road. So this is the construction site for the location for construction materials, for road construction materials. But this is this is what Red Road looks like. Straight ahead of us, that's the Amazonia Mall. Last time we took a walk around the Amazonia Mall, you can see that it was still under construction. There's still a lot of construction going on. But this is what the completed Red Road looks like. Of course, the road is still covered with construction debris. People are arguing with me that I'm showing construction of these public works before they're completed. No, I'm showing them continuously. I'm actually showing various stages of construction of public works. Last time I was here, we showed this abandoned hotel. We got a lot of feedback. Turns out that this hotel was being built for the World Cup cricket series about a decade and a half ago, and they ran out of money. It was being constructed at the same time that the Princess Hotel was being constructed. Princess was able to complete their construction with a loan from the government of Guyana, but these owners were not so fortunate, so their project was abandoned. This is the Massey store. So people are referring to this road as Massey Road because of this Trinidad company that has a huge supermarket at this location in the Amazonia Mall. Amazonia Mall still under construction. Well, still under renovation, I suppose. But this is Red Road. Road markings still need to be placed on the road, and as you can see, there's still a fair amount of construction going on. So for those of you who think that I'm showing these projects before they're completed, I think gates here are now closed. This is what the current state of affairs is here on Red Road. I'm gonna go a few more meters up the road to show you this part of the road is still under construction. It is not completed. This is the drains, and they're using the drain covers to create sidewalks. So there are no dedicated sidewalks here, and there's still a fair amount of road construction that remains. Alright, so there's still a fair amount of road construction that is being done. So this is what Red Road looks like at this end. Yeah. Straight ahead of us, that's the new Hyatt Hotel. That's Hyatt Hotel that's being constructed here on Red Road. And as you can see, in the distance you can see the pillars coming up out of the ground. Those pillars are going to be, of course, the bridge, Demerara River Bridge. And this is Red Road looking towards the east. Sorry, to the west, towards the East Bank Public Road, towards the west. As you can see, they're still working on the drain covers. Morning. They're still working on the drain covers, and eventually these drain covers are what are going to become the sidewalk. That's Red Road in the distance. And over here, that's Hyatt Hotel. There you can see that's the back end of Amazonia Mall. So for those people who are still arguing that I'm only showing the negative sides or making negative comments, it is for a reason. It is the duty of the Fort Estate, the media, the people, to bring what is shortcoming